We just installed a new rain shower, but the water pressure is too low for it to work properly. Today we'll show you what we did to get the pressure we needed. It was easy, and it fixed the problem. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We just purchased a new rain shower and were anxious to try it out, but it was barely dripping. We couldn't figure out what was wrong, but then we thought, wait a minute. There's a flow restrictor in it, and that will slow the flow down. So we decided to remove it to see if that would fix the problem. The flow restrictor is just inside the shower head, so we had to remove the shower head to get it out. That little blue thing behind the screen is the flow restrictor. That is what we need to remove. First, my husband tried to remove it with a screwdriver, but that didn't work very well. He then tried to remove it with needle nose pliers. That worked to get the screen gasket out. However, it didn't work for the flow restrictor. But the screwdriver did. This is the flow restrictor. Keep it in case you decide to put it back in the future. Now, just put the screen gasket back in and reinstall the shower head. Now we have all the pressure we need to take a rain shower. Removing the flow restrictor fixed the water pressure problem. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our new videos. Thank you.